Look out. Oh shit, somebody to wreck. Oh God. Oh, that's that song, y'all. Oh, the Altima was right here. Pushing that.
Bet he don't go to jail.
He finna go, he probably already at I know he thinking like, yeah, glad they ain't sliding. Hug her now, hug her. Going down at the hood track. Somebody wrecked that Camaro in the back. Or I might be mistaken for a Maxima. Let me see, hey, I need a tow up here. Look out, look out. Look out. Tell your friend. Tell your partner. Tell your uncle. One that don't know how to work his phone. Make sure he's subscribed too. Man, everybody saying you, but I like the way his car runs. Fuck his car. Fuck his car. Man, they saying him, man. They done scared me. Oh shit, somebody to wreck. God damn. Let's go see this wreck. God damn. He done tore some shit up. Damn, can I jump it, y'all? Shit, that bitch here
ain't no jumping this. This is too wiggly.
Ooh, that wiggly. God damn. Here, I'ma jump though. Yeah, I'm looking out. I'm good. You ready?
You crazy?
I'm gonna get over here. Oh, look how crazy. Let's go see y'all. Whee! Who acted a damn fool and fucked it up? See it here first on Lookout Racing. Da-da-da-da. Attention in the pit. Oh, shit, here it goes. Ooh, he hurt.
Hey, quit! Hey, get it!
God. Damn. Oh, where we gotta back up to? Where at? He didn't knock this mother. Let me see how he looks. Any Modelos in the car? Hey, let's back it up. All right, let's back it up. Man, he knocked the cold air intake off that. Man, he done pushed it.
Look out!
I'm on it. I'm on it, man.
Hey, I don't know if they had that intake, but God damn.
Okay. He did that. Let me see something. Oh, that's that song, y'all. Hey. Hey, sing it.
Why would you do that shit down here with all these cars?
Man, Modelo. You don't know him? Attention in the pits. 6th generation Camaro. Y'all need to give him a drop of a free shirt. Oh, the Altima was right here?
Yeah, bro.
My homeboy came in there. He was right here. That shit all the way over there right now. How fast was he going?
He pushing that.
How fast was he going?
Bet he don't go to jail.
Oh,
Bet
yeah.
he does not go to jail. Bet.
All right.
Intoxication. They can't take it. Let's go get a PI ticket and go home.
He finna go. He probably already at home.
That shit not drivable.
I think I'm gonna take this up to the crib.
It ain't drivable.
Hell no.
Hell it ain't.
That shit not drivable.
Man, they tripping, look now. I know he thinking like, yeah, glad they ain't slide this shit into me. Hug her now, hug her. I just say hug. Ain't nothing wrong with hugging. You was hugging. Hug. I don't want one from your ass. I don't want one from your ass. I promise I don't want one. Going down at the hood track. Somebody wrecked that Camaro in the back. Hit somebody Altima. Or I might be mistaken for a Maxima. Look out. John Boy. E. Yeah. Let me see. Hey, I need a toe up here. Somebody looking. I need a toe up here at Yellow Belly.
Southwest side of Fort Worth.
To the southwest side of Fort Worth. Attention in the pit. We have a cleanup on aisle 4. I'm gonna need everyone to step back, please. I ain't even worried about no damn jail. I'm trying to see how much he want for that motor.
Hey, how much do you get for that motor?
That's what I'm saying, man.
Motor transmission.
I give him 15 right now. Fuck.
Man, that's cheap.
That's what I'm trying to give him. I'm trying to know 15.
I'll give him 20.
I bet I can get that car, the whole car, for about
8,000. Hell yeah, take that bitch.
Robert?
Hell yeah, let him bring it back.
The motor's in there. 6'2"?
Yeah, that's 6'2", man. You want to buy it? My partner coming with the tow truck right now.
I got like $500, man.
500? Oh, no. 500. That's how much the tow is.
Yeah, it ain't worth it. Like,
Nah, I think them wheels fit my wheels, man.
What you think?
Man, he drunk on them Modelos. Yeah.
We just trying to see the finals.
Let's go do the finals and then come back talk about this shit here, man. That's enough of this wreck. I don't want to sell no parts off this man. God damn, something bit me, a mosquito. Interview the driver. Where he go? Hey man, what happened, bro? Estaba canteen. Hey, English, bro, English. Oh, I was headed to racetrack to get a Modelo, and I don't know. He said I put it in drive, you know. I like chingao, me no see Nissan, me no see the Nissan, me no see Nissan city right here. So no bueno. Me make it left, me no left, derecha no. I don't know. Insurance, maybe. Alibaba. No, Max. No, Baja. Checky. Oh shit, the finals.